Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer to Aave for earning interest, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer to Aave for earning interest, start by creating an account on a cryptocurrency exchange if you don't already have one. Verify your identity according to the platform's requirements. Once your account is verified, deposit the cryptocurrency you want to transfer using the exchange's deposit feature. Select a suitable cryptocurrency, such as Ethereum or USDC, for Aave. Navigate to your wallet section to find your cryptocurrency once the deposit is complete. Next, open a decentralized wallet like MetaMask or another wallet that's. If you don't have a wallet, download and install MetaMask from their official website. Set up your wallet by creating a strong password and securely storing your recovery phrase. After setting up, connect your wallet to the cryptocurrency exchange you're using. Initiate a withdrawal from the exchange to your wallet address. Ensure you copy your wallet address accurately to avoid losing funds. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Wait for the withdrawal to process. This may take a few minutes depending on network congestion. Once the funds arrive in your wallet, head over to the Aave app website. Select Enter App to access the Aave platform. Connect your wallet to Aave by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Choose your wallet provider from the options available. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your wallet and Aave. After connecting, browse the available assets on the Aave platform. Locate the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit for earning interest. Click on the asset and select Deposit. Input the amount you want to deposit and review the interest rate information provided. Confirm the transaction through your wallet. Be aware of gas fees, as these may apply based on network activity. Once the transaction is confirmed, your funds will start earning interest on Aave. You can monitor your deposits and interest earnings in your Aave account dashboard. Keep an eye on the Aave app for any updates regarding interest rates and rewards. That's all you need to do to start earning interest on Aave. Make sure to stay informed about the risks associated with decentralized finance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.